Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to kick off today's presentation on grammar. Today, we'll explore the fundamentals and some useful tips to improve your understanding and use of grammar. Over the next few slides, we'll cover key concepts, common mistakes, and practical examples to help you communicate more effectively. Let's get started. So, you might be wondering, what exactly is grammar? Well, it's essentially the study of rules that help us make correct sentences. These rules are important because they guide us on how to use a language properly. When we follow these rules, we can express ourselves clearly and accurately. This means that our message is complete and the meaning is correct. Understanding grammar is key to effective communication, and it connects directly to the overall theme of mastering language skills. It helps us avoid confusion and ensures that others understand us exactly as we intend. Let's talk about the importance of grammar.